girls, welcome back. Into this video I came up with this look right here. Hope you like it, guys, because I'm in love with this look. I know I'm quite different with the low cut, and yeah, but I kind of like the hair, just something different. I'm tired of carrying my hair. I just want to be free, you know. When I go to bed, I'm free. When I wake up, I'm free. When I want to go out, I'm free. I don't have to think of how to pack my hair or anything like that. But if you can keep yours, fair enough, but I can't because I'm just lazy. It's not easy maintaining my hair, so I really just want to be free this time. Anyways, without much rambling, if you want to know how I came up with this look right here, let's jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, I've already prepped and moisturized my face. Now let's jump into our brows, starting off with the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Still on my brows. Now going in with my Cavendish signature brow pencil in the shade medium brown. In case you guys hear any noise, nothing is happening out there, so the kids have to play. Just making you guys aware of my kids. I want to come forward because I've got lots of hair on this area. Mainly concentrating on the areas where I don't have much hair. A little bit forward. Doing the same thing on this other eyes. And I get to this area, the beginning, just a little bit, you know, don't want anything crazy. I still want it to look natural as much as possible. So that's how I like my brows. Now going in with a concealer to clean up my brows, but before I do that, I like to go in with my primer, which is the 5-Second Perfect Blur by Garnier. This primer is really good, very, very good if you want something to blow your face without looking greasy. This is the best primer. I'm not bothered about this area, just on this side where I know my oil start peeking through. Alright guys, now going in with my concealer. I like to go in with the NYX HD Studio in the shade CW7. This is a cool tone concealer. So after doing that, I like to go in with my MAC Soft Ochre Pro Long Wear Paint Pot using my Sigma P84 brush. I like to bring it underneath my eyes. Now going in with the Precision Foundation brush by EcoTools. So when I'm done with blending that out, I like to go in with my eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow I'll be using for today is the Cavendish Shade Plus Light Eye. Guys, I know we've all forgotten about this, but I'm going back to the OGs. I'm gonna take this pencil brush. It's a big pencil brush. I'm gonna pick up that shade right there, that one, and blend it out with that. I didn't set my base though. I normally do, but this time just not really bothered. I'm just patting it. I'm not sliding it, just dabbing it on. I didn't bring it down to the, I didn't bring it close to my nose. I'm doing the same thing on this other eyes, just like forming a circle. And if you've got a hooded eyes, just go above your crease line. Yeah, like that. Then I'm going to apply the same shade underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to try to blend that out using a Sigma E27 brush. This is a very small detailed brush. Guys, I really don't know why people don't buy this eyeshadow. This is one eyeshadow that you need in your life. Sometimes I just pick up one shade, use it to create eyeliner, and it fits really well. This is the Morphe E13 brush. I like to go in with that same shade, that darker shade there, tap off the excess to bring it up a little bit because we've lost the intensity of that shade. when we're blending it out. I'm going back in with a pencil brush to reinforce the one underneath my eyes. I still like to do the same thing on the other eyes. Going back in that Sigma E27 brush to blend it out again, not really much, just concentrating on this area. I just like to soften this harsh area with that same translucent shade. Using that same Sigma brush, going in with that shade right there, that one, the one I used as my translucent shade. I mean, you can go in with your concealer if you want, but I really want this look to be soft, you know. And I like to blend it in a little bit. Now going in with the Morphe E13 brush I used earlier to pick up that same shade right there. A little bit, tap it off because you want to blend this into the shade, you know what I mean? I like to take a pencil brush like that. You can use any one you've got. I like to pick up that shade right there, mixing it a little bit with a darker shade. 3 taps of this and 1 tap of that. Tap it off. And I'm basically using this to form then what I like to do is to take another pencil brush, pick up that dark shade right there, mixing up with a little of the black, then blend it out a little bit because I want to try to connect it to this other shade right there, just tiny bit, just like that. Now that we're done with that, I like to go in with a very white shade, and which is that one right there. I want to take this look to another level, so after laying it on, then I will now tap off the excess before I blend it out. Picking it up again. I know it looks crazy now, but it's gonna come together very soon. Alright guys, now going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade 604 Milk. I'm gonna apply that in my waterline. I'm not bringing it all the way out, I'm just stopping right there. Now going in with that white eyeshadow to pack that again. The lashes I'll be using for today is the Lily lashes in the style Happy Wife, Happy Life. I'll be mixing the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear in the shade 07 and in the shade 11. I like to put a drop. This is my empty Charlotte Tilbury, which I've got another one right here. Make sure it's clean. Just mix it there, one there and another drop there. 2 drops of the number 11 because the other one is really light for me. Going back to that same concealer, now I'm going to blend that out using my Junior Kohl sponge. Now to brighten up underneath my eyes, I like to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Medium Custard. I like to go in with a small sponge, which is the Real Techniques one. I like to use that to blend this concealer out because I don't want to spread it out that much. But to contour my face, I like to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade Espresso. I just turned on my lights. That's why there is a little bit of change on my my video. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder in the shade 220. Underneath my eyes, I still want it to be a little bit more brighter than the way it is, so I'm gonna go in with this Cavendish Shade Plus Light Contour Palette, and I'm gonna pick up that shade right there. That's like a banana shade. So now going in with my setting spray, and what I'm using for today is the Lancome Fix It Forget It. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Sun Power. Just a little bit of it on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to highlight my face using the L'Oreal Killer in the shade Gilded Honey. Alright guys, I'm going in with the MAC Lip Liner in the shade Chestnut. and the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Spice. For the lip gloss I'm going to be using for today is the Too Faced lip gloss in the shade Pretty Penny. The blush I'm going to be using for today is the Balm Cosmetics in the shade Frat Boy. In case you're wondering what I'm rubbing on my shoulder is the Sleek Becky's Illuminator in the shade Pompeii. Now going in with my mascara to apply on my lower lash line. And that is it, guys. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video quite helpful, please just give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and tell me what next you would like to see on my channel, and I'll make sure I come up with things like that for you guys. Of course, I'm here to entertain you guys and to make you guys happy in my own little way. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'd love to see you on my next one. Bye dolls.